Nganza ukuthi ngiyanibona la ngiyakhala bafethu. Mangibona ama-post nje nama-comment ngiyabona abanye abathi uThamentuli this is a political strategy. It's a strategy nje mfethu ukuthi athole ama-support and stuff like that for political gain, uyayibona leyo nto leyo, for endorsing uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi for i-second term, ukuthi arane for a second term kwi-department yakhe le yakuyona uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So mina bafethu, in my opinion, I feel like if it helps Mkhwanazi athole any contract, uyabona, then so be it. Vele fethu umsebenzi waThamentuli awukho, uyayibona lento le, into engekho nje, wazi ukuzula ngama-BMW ama-convoy inqwaba, ayenzi nje lutho, uyayibona lento le. But if kuwukuthi uMkhwanazi uzothola ubenefits mhlawumbe ngokuthi athole i-endorsement, kuzo-improve amathuba akhe ukuthi athole enye contract noma enye term, hayi bafethu azisho, hayi azisho.